friends. I'm presenting an economic feasibility analysis report for implementing an on-site vessel composter at Trials College, Mississauga for waste reduction. So this report was submitted to Trudy Davidson, Director General of Trials College, Ontario. The report was very technical. For the presentation purposes, I have simplified so that it may become understandable to an average audience person. So, yeah. Please raise your hand if you think that waste is nothing but waste. Waste is nothing, do you agree?
No.
Or nothing is waste? Yes, this is the thing that I want to realize you. Nothing is waste actually. So this is the natural system. In a sustainable way, the ultimate source of light, the sun, it gives energy to the agricultural land and the grains and foods are produced. So they are decomposed in a natural manner. But when it becomes unsustainable, as it is happening in our world, most of the products, they go to the landfill, they don't go to the earth back. So most of the resources, they go to the landfill, and we have to bring in new raw materials for renewable energies. This is actually the option one, which is currently in practice at Trials College. It is giving most of its waste to the waste companies. And it is costing $200 per month to the college. So how we can improve this system? Making the non-sustainable sustainable. So it will happen when the normal course of action, instead of going into the landfill, we have a composter at the college premises, and we put in all the waste in that composter that decomposes everything, and the whatever we get from that composter, we use them for gardener, landscaping, and erosion control. So this is the option 2 that I am proposing for implementation at Trials College. So I'm showing you the picture of the earth tub in vessel composting system. This is the earth tub. This is it looks like. And this is the space that it occupies. It doesn't occupy a huge space. When it comes to the cost, and the startup cost is for $47,500, and it includes earth tub, electrical installation, site preparation, plumbing, everything. And the operational cost is basically the maintenance, because you need a person 20 hours per week, and the electricity costs. This is the actual cost, but so the total cost is $50,000. When we come to the benefits, the recurring benefits are $16,891 per year, and we get the compost 2%, and the disposal fee that we pay is reduced to 90%. So the capital and operational cost will be covered in 10 years, and we have the asset with us, after which we will be in profit. So my conclusion is that by minimizing the operational and maintenance costs, we get 89%, which is, and lower that amount to the current hauling waste offsite. The direct benefits that include are the saving from the third-party waste management organization, less compost and fertilizer purchased for Trials, and direct environmental benefits that include reduced greenhouse gas emission. So these are the mathematical formulas that I used for making all these calculations. If anyone is interested, I can explain these formulas afterwards. So this is the return on interest, and this is the net present value that I have calculated. Thank you very much.